know what? We are working with it the same way because, you know, however we get the information, we get this information because this is probably the first time most of us or around the world has heard this information, especially from a living legend like Kid Kurup. And again, just to explain again what I do, I try my best to shine a light on the career on some of our biggest names, but people don't always appreciate these names, especially, you know, in terms of Lugerman and Kid Kurup. When it comes to the Dutty Cup Crew, everybody is on Chan Pa Rere, which is fine. He deserves his props. But these guys, definitely without fear, deserve to be up there as household names, you know. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing over here, mate. So, all right, we're just going to wait for him to roll up here now. Just going to drop our next Kid Kurup song, right? Yes, sir?
Dutty. Alright. You know it's Kid Kurup. You Dutty, the muckily, you Dutty. You know me and the girl in the skin. I'm gonna chat. From me Dutty, the muckily, take a look in your eyes. You Dutty, the muckily, realize there's something about on your face and tie. You want to be unique outside. No matter how you feel like you're smart or wise. My personality is just mine. Anytime you get to me, I'm gonna push it inside. And we all do the serious try. Just simple, show me carry dimple. When me put
I don't know that tune though. That tune is wicked though still, but I don't know me attack. That one, of course, that was with Shaggy them Big Yard, yeah. So big up Shaggy and Big Yard Crew. That was different still. But I don't know me attack. Yeah, can you hear me? Because when I see you again.
I hear you. I hear you loud and mess here, but I'm not.
Okay, boom. Because when I see you, you're probably working on your phone, right?
No, I just, since I typed, I just got start type a while ago.
See it there? Okay. John was there. All right, so boom. All right, so I would like to see you though, before I drop the tune. Are you still typing?
All right. I've been trying one.
Yeah. And said, did you sell? Yeah. You know. We all work with it, see, right? As we say, work with it, buy a shirt with it. See it? Yeah, so where him gone? All right, so him gone. So this was the next year.
of course, from I'm walking and I'm coughing while I'm talking. You know I'm smoking while I'm smoking and I'm choking. How weed man I smoke, so I start to send a small message up to those of parliament. Them tell this for me up but pose up like ornament. Police are running a note just like a tournament. Well, a weed man I smoke and that me represent. I grade up in on me brain, you know it.
All right, boom. So we're not talking about that tune either. All right, so I'm gonna play this while we have you right here, all right? Because we need to see this. So this is tune number 5, and this is not exactly the most because I don't like to play the most popular tune them, but this was on anyone can get this tune on iTunes, which is good. But this is one of my favorite tunes. Can you deal with this rhythm different, star? All right, so you ready? All right, boom.
Yeah.
So let's roll. We're going to the year of 2004 with this one, okay? And you switch gears on the flow and on the lyrics. It's just madness there. Some of the body sitting me over it here. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a living legend that is Kid Kurup. So this is tune number 5. Candyman 45 Shop, chat about reggae. So let's roll.
Come on. Dutty. You know it's Kid Kurup, of course. Dutty. Anyway, my friend Dice, you know we don't ramp quickly. You know it's Kid Kurup and the girl them segment. Evident. Gaddafi. Girl them say you can't stop you. Anyway, if you have a girl up on the block, you know we don't ramp. Dutty. When bad man a kick it way. Girl can't laugh, girl. Choke and cough, kick it way. Can't pull off no craft when the duttilymuckily set it off. Bad man a kick it way. Girl can't laugh, girl. Choke and cough, kick it way. Can't pull off no craft when the duttilymuckily set it off. When we plug in, girl I make nice and I pop out me ear and I said Dutty, 4C. She can't take the size and I scream and I ball and I say, she want protein. Just pump on the scene. Take your bedroom cuisine, walk a 10 Maxine. Bout the vaccine, or it make your skin clean. When we are kick it wet, y'all can't laugh, y'all
Yo, brother. That you the antidote. Yo,
Yeah.
boss.
Listen, just I watch my bridges them in the comments and the man them, some man way. I'm a G them candy from
Yes,
this shit
sir.
just start, yeah?
Yeah.
And when me hear the man them say Kurup, candy got deep.
Salute everybody.
You know what? Yeah, you know what's funny? Because you say you play songs that are not popular, right?
Yeah.
But what's funny, some of these songs are my favorite songs.
Yes.
It's a crazy part
Can
about
hear?
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of
Yeah.
these songs are my favorite songs.
Yes. Yes.
A lot of people say, oh, in Big Up Red Rock, Real G.
May I come
You know, a lot of
feel
people
that-
say, oh,
no watch this, no watch. May I come feel. But anyway, yeah.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
Red Rock. Can be some people in this
No.
and in that. No,
I hear you.
things about this. Whatever it's
Yo, me not hear you.
things like.
You see me?
Yeah, all right. You're perfect now. Crystal clear. Yeah. Where I say?
Nah, hear me. Nah.
Yo, we're hearing you nice and clear,
Hold on.
proper. Crystal clear. We're hearing you properly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hear me now?
We're hearing you perfect now. Perfect. Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me
perfect.
turn off this. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
So
Boom. Yes.
basically, Candy, some of them songs where I play, you know what I mean? Definitely. It's my favorites.
Yes.
All right? All right. So, I don't know. I don't. Yeah. What you want? Yeah. What you want to ask about right now? Where we at right now?
So this is 2004, and Natural Your Vice with Gaddafi them on what's the label again? Wow, I don't know why I forgot the label. The label's red, yellow. Annex with Gaddafi them. Yeah, boom. So
Yeah.
what's the story behind that?
That's for that same song.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, bro, but like my brain data right now where that is concerned, it's like that's just one of them songs, there, bro.
See. Well, I mean,
That's just like listen, that's like Van Gogh just painting something and just know that's just one more act. You know what I mean?
Yes, of course.
So yeah, share the life, people. So basically, Candy, there's no real story behind that, really.
Well,
But continue, because stories are there.
to be honest, I mean, it doesn't surprise me because, you know, if you smoke weed every day, drink all night, and chase the whole day away, I don't expect you to remember every last detail about the tune where you met. So.
No, because guess what? No, it's not even that. There's so much things that has happened.
Yeah.
You understand? Within this journey of mine.
Yes.
That even to me, it's overwhelming.
Of course.
So some of the history lessons, they stay.
Yes.
You know what I mean? And as I say, as you move on, you're going to hear some things and you're going to be surprised.
Yes. Of course.
You know what I mean?
Okay,
Right.
so I just want to say that I'm very grateful for you spending time here with us and sharing all of this information and this history, because it's
I'm grateful. I'm grateful because your platform, trust me, you're doing great things, bro.
Respect, boss.
Believe me. Big up Ras Chama.
Yeah, man.
No, listen.
Big up.
Big up Ras Chama.
Yes.
I don't mean to cut the interview already, but Ras Chama is an artist I've rate over. It's been 2 decades now.
Same.
Right? And as I said to you, I listen to my list. You have a list of artists that keeps me going.
Yes, please.
Right? Kida, you know Kida?
from Keto. I actually
Yeah, her
don't.
Makita.
Yeah, me not like. I don't know.
Research. It's alright. No, Candy. This link with me, I gonna make now.
Yes.
Yeah, your catalog are gonna grow a little much bigger, right?
When did Keto bust? Or when was the music?
Alright, what you gonna do?
Yeah.
What you gonna do?
I mean, on 19th.
We're gonna talk. Alright, cool. What time is it in England now?
It's 4:25.
Alright, so after this hour,
Yeah.
right? We have a tea for another hour and just go 3 hours, right?
We'll see about that, but yeah. All right.
You can do that, man.
Yeah, man.
That third hour is an introduction to you about certain things.
Yeah, please. Let's go.
Yeah?
Let's roll. Yeah.
Yeah, because and I can play the music and stuff because you know I do my life and you know it goes. So my list is this: Kida, Rastrama, right? Lugaman.
Of course.
Tornado.
Yeah, Tornado body now.
Right.
Tornado body.
All right. All right.
Yes, sir.
These are artists that I listen every day that keep me moving through with my career.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So let's go. Keep the vibe going, Candy. Where you know?
All right. So boom. Right now, okay. So you didn't mention this tune, and I know this is one of your big ones. So let's just roll with this one, and we want to hear the story behind it. All right. What the hell's going on there?
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
All right, big up Don Yute. Big up Coffee.
All right, boom. So, all right. So next tune.
Dutty. It's another.
There must be man.
Renaissance. Of course.
Duttilymuckily.
Of course. It's a renaissance. Duttilymuckily. So you know we doing it on slow-mo. I know it's getting around. For the girl then. I'm a girl in my room, yes, me want some Danny. Rub me for me cocky, make me feel honey. Look where your man say, Granny. She want to join the Duttilymuckily army. Can somebody tell me what to Johnny?
Yeah, you want to Johnny.
Cock it up in the body. Walla for me, and I say what is for me. Me happily damage it, cause other people property. Duttilymuckily step up with one strategy. Under me guinea, so you know me can manage.
Oh, let me give this one, let me get money. Yeah, that's what it is. You know, quality.
Under me guinea, so you ready to spank it. Girl, I thank me. I'm in my room, yes, me want some.
Yo,
I don't think you're ready for the history of this one.
Please, go ahead.
Candy,
Yes, sir.
you're not ready for the history for that song, yeah. Trust me.
Yes, sir. What do you think here, sir? What do you think, sir?
Brother, I don't know where to start. Because this, all right, listen. You see when I did this song?
Yeah.
Rivalry was going on.
Again?
Yeah, because I was at Dan Corleone, right? And this was produced by Renaissance.
Yeah.
Right. So Dan Corleone, the whole movement was there.
Yeah.
Right? And at the same time, I just do. See, can I can't sleep?
Yes.
But it was by Blacks. Rest in peace, Cripple Blacks. My G, my Dan. Not two per man, right through.
Yeah.
So, at the same time, after I did Say Kada Girl, Dan them did have, how the rhythm go again? Stop move so shoot the pussy.
Yeah,
Bad man to the girl, send on the pussy.
Yeah, we know the rhythm. I can't remember the name. Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
Right. So I wasn't feeling the rhythm.
No? All right.
Yeah, cause if you check the catalog, I'm not on it. I wasn't feeling it. So, yeah, Richie, big up yourself.
Yeah.
So basically, what happened was, I end up leaving Dan and got to Renaissance. Yeah. It was down the road. So while I was there, outside, under the breadfruit tree, Factor, big up Factor, play the rhythm. Boom, pum, 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 pum. And while I was there, breadfruit drop out of the tree and lick me in my head, bro. And I say, yo, what is You see me? So, I start dig deep in my brain now. You know, tum. You see me?
Yeah.
Duttilymuckily, Duttily. All right then. Have a girl in my room, yes, me want some nanny. I was like, yo, shit. So, I'm going to the studio, I'm a voice it.
Yeah.
Mash up the place and all the vibes, and you know what me go do now? So me take the song now, drive my X5 go up now, upper than them. Cause remember now, through my seminar rate, the other rhythm,
Yeah.
nobody not deal with me, cause them and them all say, yo, your dads have 2 songs on the rhythm.
Yeah.
If you no voice on this, you're gonna miss.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, so it's like a vibes there. So I'm all my own. Park up at the studio now. Have my Renaissance song a beat outside in the BMW.
Yeah.
Who you think come outside? Who you think come outside, Candy?
No idea. Who was there on the rhythm? You know what? I'm not even gonna get.
That's a good. You see, think who? No, use your brain. Who are the next big song on the rhythm?
Which one? The one in the Renaissance, yeah.
Yeah. Who are the next big girl song on the rhythm?
Yeah, Spragga Benz, Wayne Marshall, you have Bunty, who the on the rhythm again? Assassin, Sean Paul,
Vibes Cartel. Vibes Cartel. Say a man put it there.
Boom. Yeah.
Yeah. So Cartel come out of the studio.
Yeah.
And hear the song. And listen to this. Cartel sit in the back of the BMW for about an hour listening to. Have a girl in my room, yes, me want some nanny. You see me?
Yeah.
I end up have set the Cartel and say, yo, you know, so I go home because wife here wait for me and rups. See me?
Yeah.
When me drive off now, I reach at my house in a Candy. A Renaissance I call me now and I say, yo, what you do? Cartel there. I say, what go on? Icky the breast, and me icky the breast, and they ticky the breast. Yeah. Yeah, man. So every song have history, Candy. Definitely, man. Big history too. Yeah, man.
And
yeah, man.
The way is, I mean, I said this to Mega, but I have to say it to you too, because you have certain man where they say sit down pan ready, but you don't exactly just sit down pan it. You just like a horse, you're there on it and I get up on the rhythm, so it's different. You know what I mean? I said, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You ride the rhythm different from
because
still, you know.
Because I listen music different, Candy. You see what I say?
Yes.
I listen music different, brother.
Yes.
So it's like at that time, like my friends can tell you, at the life that I did live. When I say I have a girl in my room, yes, me want some nanny. You see me? And then what caused that was I used to rate Shabba ranks so much. Shabba was my idol, like.
Of course, yeah.
And when Shabba said, give me punani and love punani, man.
Yeah.
I was like, yo,
yeah.
You like that? Yeah. I say, you know, me like that tone, eh? So I go, have a girl in my room, yes, me want some nanny. I was like, yo, that shit crazy. And guess what? At the time, nobody wasn't preying that. Everybody was dancing. Elephant them was doing dancing. Bunty and Beanie them a war. You see me? I say so. I just say, yo, I doing something about nanny.
Of course.
You know what I mean? And this came after another history story. But as you say, yeah, go down the line. So let's go.
All right. What I'm going to do, because you mentioned Don Corleone, I'm just going to take a step back before that the rebirth rhythm. So we have to go there because this is one, again, this is another anthem. And I tried my best to stay away from the popular. But since we're here and we're going on and we're doing this, let's just do this. So yeah, this is one of your anthems.
Yeah.
So everybody know this.
Duttilymuckily, you're a kid Kurup. I'm a come from make them know so them not live right. Duttilymuckily, let's live it up. Let's not give it up. Hold them heavens. My fault, my fault, my fault, them not live right. My fault, nothing, my fault, nothing. Say that them a rasta, bubba me bumbo. I me see them on the Burger King, I eat up a combo. Say that them a rasta, bubba me bumbo. I me never see them join the long line of jumbo. Say that them a rasta, bubba me bumbo. I me see them on the Burger King, I eat up a combo. Say that them a rasta, bubba me bumbo. I me never see them join the long line of jumbo. Them say them a blaze a wildfire, no Rasta friend tire. Trotting from Standpipe go straight to Kentire. Can't believe the boy them off in this the Messiah. Them Rasta boy nowadays them a liar. Burn them up with a black tire. Tell them a Rasta.
Yo. And for the record, I just want to say this: Ras Charmer is not a fake Rasta; he's a real Rasta. So I just wanted to put that out there. So.
No, no man. Listen. Me and Ras Charmer part.
Yeah,
What
man.
I say, the people I name out to you,
Yeah.
is people I par with.
Yeah. Boom.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Let me tell you how the music business go.
Yeah.
You see, if you're too real, see if you're too real to this, they're not fuck with you.
I understand. Yeah.
It's a fact.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
And I know some real youth in the business.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, if you're not conform, yeah, and if you're not be what them want you to be,
Yeah.
it's not gonna work. See? Let me tell you something. Where I'm gonna shock you. I'm gonna shock you. I'm gonna dwell upon it. Anytime you play my biggest song that I consider my biggest song,
Yeah.
right? I'm going to share a piece of history with you where you're not going to believe. You hear me, brother?
All right.
All right, cool. So, Rasta Mabombo now
Yeah.
was basically, as again, the transition of being part of the Dan Corleone movement.
Yes.
You see, because that rhythm was built by Shire Core.
Yes.
And Shire Core is the son of, you know, Third World.
Yes.
You know this, right?
So
Right.
there's a link there with Lugerman, right?
Yeah, man, definitely. Luga is Third World right
Yes.
through. No doubt about that. No doubt about that, bro.
Yes.
No doubt.
Yes.
Luga is Third World.
Yes.
You see me? Next generation.
Well.
So
Yeah.
that rhythm was there, and the G them I say, yo, Kurup, you know, say, big up Chungy. G them I say, yo, you know, so that big rhythm there, and you know, so I'm going. At the same time, there was a restaurant in Standpipe that just opened named Jumbo.
Yeah.
You see me? That was introduced by my friend Steamers, rest in peace, in pass and gone, real G.
Yeah.
See? So that would be the new spot, but it was always health, like Rastafari and food, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's where it eat. So in the same time, may I witness some things with the man them was say them a Rasta.
Yes.
And may I say, yo, this not Adam. Anyways, I have the song as a vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a song as a vibe, just like smoke every day.
Yeah, of course.
And you know who right on that vibe.
Of course.
And I'm going to go in the studio, I'm going to say, Jono, I'm going to do it.
Yeah.
Friend, we know, one friend from, you see me, the same frequency Elephant was in.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm going to just say, yo, I'm going to try my intro like that. You see me? And then I'm going to say, them a Rasta, bubba me bumbo, and them on a Burger King, I eat up a gumbo. Man, them love it.
Yes.
All the vibes with it.
Yeah.
You see me? And go, to me, personally, it did enough for me. You know what I mean?
Out in the UK, it was when I started, because I always did love everybody in the Dutty Cup Crew anyway. I spoke to Lugerman about that, and I take Sean Paul out of it because, of course, from early Sean Paul, Boss and Rare. So I take him out of it, and I say Dutty Cup as a crew was just bad. Muscle was bad, Chicken was bad, you, Lugerman, bad. See? So I did love Uno already as artists. So, but what I started to hear from when that rhythm land, me start to hear DJ talk, but I mean, you know, all the selectors, all of the selectors in England, that's when I start hearing everybody talk about Kurup, because that tune bust in England enough. So every time we play it, every time it was on the radio, we hear that tune there. Every time we're there, I dance, we must have to hear the tune. So that was the first time with everybody outside of me. I always did appreciate your things, but your music. But that was the first time I started to hear everybody else talk about, yo, Kid Kurup this, Kid Kurup that. So of course, huge song, definitely. You know?
Yeah, because guess what happened now? I couldn't get no access to the UK at that time.
See, oh,
You know what I mean? But I was touring. No, it wasn't even about that. Like,
okay.
I got, because, it's another story, this stuff. So, never got no intro into England.
See?
Right? But was touring outside of England, and the reception was the same way.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
Because it's like, went to France, went to Switzerland, a lot of places, and they liked the song because you know the Rasta movement in Europe.
Of course, yeah. Yeah. Big.
You get me? So it is considered one of my my classical. Like I leave it at where it's at based on the vibe and the message, and you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now I have a couple Jeep on the live and they must say Daddy Gun, and you know what I mean, because basically from the start of the live we don't really talk about Daddy Gun. Daddy Gun now basically is the representation of Dutty Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Daddy Gun basically is what? Dutty Cup growth, you know, moving from just a set of man with a dream.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Not here with us now. Rest in peace. And as I said to you earlier, the docu-series.
He's going to go into that, yeah?
You know what I mean? Yes, basically about these things.
Yeah, because...
because...
I'm not like, it's the first time I hear the name Daddy Gang, you know, because as I just called out the name of the Dutty Cup man that with me know about. I mean, never yet hear about no Daddy Gang still. So I would love to see, I can't wait for this docu-series to come out so we know all of the history and how everything come, you know, everything come together, you know? So I can't,
yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. Uptown, I just come out and meeting with Sean Paul about it. Uptown dancehall, and
boom.
You know, it's the same vibe because he understands that this legacy, you know, it has to be told.
Definitely,
like,
yeah.
And I owe this to my kids, you know, I owe this to my fellow fans, my friends, you know. This is something that needs to be out. You know what I mean? So but take the time out, you know what I mean, and it's a lot of writing, it's a lot of work because I have to be writing and putting visuals. Trust me, it's a new venture, but it's always something that I wanted to do because outside of the music, I always have this thing for visuals.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes. Yes.
And I'm not the stereotype artist. I'm trying to get some of these Netflix deals, you know what I mean? So different from a docu-series.
Yes.
I have a major film in script writing right now.
Perfect.
You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so that's my retirement. Like after doing this leg that I plan to do now with Between Us and these new songs.
Yeah.
You know, I'm slowly moving into the visual world.
Of course, yeah.
You know what I mean? And it's funny we do this interview because you talk a lot of things that spark back
memories.
You know? Yeah, and my vision and what I'm really trying to do. Because in this time, you know, the motivations, and it's not even that easy because everybody have to face this after Corona situation, and
yes.
You know what I mean?
Corona mash up.
You know, I have to deal.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to deal with film crew. I have to deal with, you know, just putting it together, because for you to enjoy Candy, it has to be produced good.
Yes, definitely. Definitely.
You see me?
Definitely.
Big up Mr. Easy.
Yeah,
big up Mr. Easy.
Mr. Easy, I done, you know.
Yeah.
Done, straight.
Yeah, I'm a G, man. Really.
Yeah, man. So, I mean, again, so I just wanted to thank you for clearing a lot of things up because, especially out here in the UK, we don't get information and knowledge about the behind the scenes of the music, you know? So this is why I started up this chatbot reggae thing in the first place, because there's certain tunes where we have, and we want to know what goes on behind it, because, you know, hip hop and R&B is very well, heavily documented, you know? You know, Wu-Tang Clan and Mary J. Blige and all of them, we know how the tunes came about. So reggae dancehall is something that it seems like nobody don't want to touch, you know? So I'm just so glad that you decided to come and share this information and this time, spend this time here with us to clear up some of these things. Because, you know, this is, in my opinion, this is priceless information, you know? And we love it because this stuff, once it's shared out there in the world, especially like YouTube, it will live on forever, longer than us. So this is important.
Fact.
So I'm so glad you took time out to share it with us. Yeah.
Right.
Wow. How long we got left? We got another 4 minutes left. Let me play another one and see what you got to say about this one quickly. Yeah? But again, this one is not we're not digging that deep with this one. This is again another one of popular tune them. So yeah, boom. So let's just roll with this one.
All right, cool.
Of course. Muckily. I'm the girl who's for a long time. You know we stay. A crazy girl. See, cause the girl I can't sleep. I fight for the cocky and I tear off the sheet. So she love me body and physique. The way how me fuck her, she say unique. When the girl them Jackie with a cobbler, make them all beat fast just like a tabla. Send me Babylon, send Marvin Abla. Got the big man for this and we not toddler. This a cocky where she choose in a bagla. And that tricks me can use a rockadabra. When the clothes disappear off my Sandra, make she feel like she the bang danja. Me love the position, me love the city, make it turn. I rub it panic and I make it feel like it a burn. They make a lot of things from me, I learn. Me don't care if you ball or a bushy like a fern. All night, all fire, so me back it firm. Up on the bed, that will make hard and a burn. Make she wiggle, no giggle, and make she crawl like a worm. Run from stand pipe, gone, that's a burn. And the girl, them Jackie with no cobbler.
Yo, me done. Them tune you are normal,
Bittersweet candy. Bittersweet.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I understand.
Bittersweet.
And I personally do know that you are not, in terms of popularity in your career, and you're not where you're supposed to be in the minds of people. They don't think Kid Kurup when they're thinking about reggae dancehall, and I do believe they should be, you know? So this is why I've
listen,
this platform.
listen.
Yeah.
Listen this now.
Yeah.
You see, as a man, you see a journey where you do is not destined by you.
Yes.
See? It's what Father God has positioned you to do.
Yes.
And the difference with me is doing dancehall, I get connected and I get to align myself to understand what's really going on.
Yes.
See?
Yes.
Now, that what you're saying was my issue with everybody, my friends, everybody. Yo, you should have bigger this, that, right? All right, cool.
Yeah.
I grew to learn now that it wasn't about that time.
Yes.
It's about now.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, so if I was the great, listen, Candy, if I was a great star then, when everybody wanted me to, which I was working to be,
yes.
Yeah, but due to the industry and its bullshit, yeah, right. See, a man said the music business is fully corrupt, and that's why I took on the name. See, this is a deep ragga deep.
Yo, we have
yeah.
We got like 30 seconds left, so if anything.
All right, so cut back on, yeah. Right, and juggle it back, play it back again, right. Yeah.
Boom. All
right, my G.
All right, boom. And so, I mean, we're loving this history. This is great, Star. So, see you here. All right, so, and this information, said before, is going to live on for generations to come, and we love that we're able to get in with the artists and discuss this stuff that other people, I don't know, for some reason the dancehall thing, people don't look at it and rate the dancehall artists themselves. I mean, it's just a shame, but as Kid Kurup said, what is for you, and when everything that you're supposed to get in a life, you will get when it's time. You see me? So yeah, so that's what I take from what he just said here. So yeah, dattilimuckily, welcome back, sir. Welcome back. Play
about that song.
What was that one? That was this one.
Egyptian.
Boom. I can't even.
Yeah,
boom. Yeah, sorry. It's just true me true them mash up right now. All right, boom, boom, boom.
Totally, of course. Muckily. Sunday girl comes here, so long time. You know we stay. A crazy girl, you know. Shake of the girl I can't sleep. I fight with the cocky and I tear off the sheet. So she love me body and physique. The way all me fuck her, she say unique. Ready girl, them jockey with no cobbler. Make them all beat fast just like a toddler. Stand my Babylon, stand Marvin Agla. Got the big man for this and we no toddler. This a cocky when she choose in a bagla. And that tricks me to use a racadabra. When the clothes disappear off a Sandra. Make she feel like she the bang danja. Me no fit position, me no fit set it, make it turn. I rub it panic and I make it feel like it a burn. They make kind of tactics from me, pick me, I learn. Me don't care if it ball or it bushy like a fern. All night, all fire, so me back it fur. Up on the bed, that will make all a burn. Make she wiggle, no giggle, I make she crawl like a worm. Run from stand 5 guard, that's a burn. And the girl, them jockey with no cobbler. Make them all beat fast just like a tabla. Send me Marvin and stand Marvin Agla. We're the big man for this and we no toddler. This a jockey where she choosing a madla. And that tricks me, I use a racadabra. Make the clothes disappear off a Sandra. Make she feel like so she the bang danja. Women in the hammer. She a scream and a ball and a shout to mama. Make she speak in a tongue, make she stutter and stammer. I forget her manners and her English grammar. When she look up in the Kurup, put on the rama. And she get the hard poor but no glitter and glamour. When me on the beginnings and me weed and grabber. Dutty argue, full stop no comma. Duttilymuckily, again on ya. Duttilymuckily, smoke marijuana. Duttilymuckily, again on ya. Duttilymuckily, smoke marijuana. You know, see a kind of girl like ya.
All right, so you have the release date, and that's something right here, sir.
Yeah.
You have the release date right there.
That was in Egyptian. Hold on there. Let me just see. That was 2003.
And what we now? 2020, right?
Yeah, and
How much
it's so fresh.
All right.
17 years ago.
Still playing in the parties.
Yo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Still have relevance, right?
Wow. Of course.
And,
of course.
Yeah. So what I said to you is this. Sometimes you as an individual and as an artist, you have to look and see what's really going on.
Yeah.
Because it feels good to know that 13 years after, there is a song that has one piece of history in my career that is still relevant and still being played. I'm still hearing it.
Yeah. And it sounds fresh. It doesn't sound dated. And it sounds a lot better than what is out there now. No disrespect, because the young artists them, and plus the music has evolved, so me not cuss. But them tune there where you met in a 2000 era, especially the early 2000s, them tune there are timeless songs, you know, and it's relevant now.
For sure.
Man, and it just sounds so bad. So
it's not.
I don't really want to go on ranting what I want to say about the old time something, you know what I mean? I said so early 2000 and 90s business coming. You know, me love that.
Listen up.
You know,
listen up. Yeah. It's not a ranting in a candy. It's a fact. The fact of the matter is there's a disconnect, bro.
Yes.
There's a big disconnect, my G. You see, man, the both sides are not taking time out to fix this disconnect.
Yes.
Yeah, when I was growing up and I started my journey, I was around Bounty, I was around Buju,
yes,
I was around Dave Kelly, I was around Jammies.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because that's just how it works.
Yes.
The music transfer now to a man in a room and in brethren.
Yes.
Not wrong with that thing.
Yeah,
not wrong with that. But you have to understand, so you need to know about the Wayne Sling thing them. You see me?
Definitely, yeah.
You need to know about Punani rhythm.
Yes.
You see me? You need to know about Duck. You see me I say?
Yeah. And the foundation rhythm them and yeah.
Yeah. People are saying the young artists them afraid of rhythm. Like that not gonna work, brother. If you're afraid of rhythm, Can't be afraid already, my artist. That not gonna work. You get me?
I know that, you know, so back in our days, there was no room for, you can't tell a man say, yo, me nah DJ upon that the rhythm, yo, play track number 2 there, or rare. No, if put on the rhythm I play, you have to DJ upon
Right.
that. If all sick rhythm I play, you have to DJ upon that.
Fact.
Whatever the rhythm was,
Yeah.
whatever tune you have, whatever lyrics you have to cater it for the rhythm. So, but people from the 90s were raised differently anyway. Were you ever a part of the sound system, by the way?
Come again, what you say?
Were you ever a part of any sound system? Because I know you came out in the mid-90s.
Yeah, man, definitely, yeah. Good question, G, definitely.
Yeah.
As first I was with, like, my route was with Stone Love. See, like, grew up listening to Stone Love, teething out.
Yes.
To go to listen to Ducky series again, Candy, yeah? Yes, man?
Yes.
This is where Stone Love fall in the Ducky series. Long story short, I used to listen to Stone Love.
Yes.
And when I went to Woolmer's, yeah? We would have this where in Woolmer's now we'd be beating the desk. Yeah?
Yeah.
And pretending to be a sound system.
Yes. All right.
Yeah, so it started to become a movement in the school because it was before lunch, it was before the lunch break was up.
Yes.
So because I was such a great Stone Love fan, I would always have all the dubs to beat the desk, sing them over, and win the clashes.
Wow.
It ended up now, it moved to the principal, then it moved to the student council. It was just a big thing in Woolmer's.
Yes.
Right?
Wow.
Then you had Master Griffith's son who was coming to Woolmer's, and he was doing the same thing too. You see me?
Yeah.
And then we would have great clashes at school. My Woolmer's friends on the live will tell you how factual it is. You see me?
Yes, of course. Wow.
You see me? So from Stone Love now, moving back to Jamaica and living in Ligani.
Yes.
I had a connection with Travelers.
Jukes the Killer them, yeah?
Yeah, I had a connection with Travelers.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. I was saying that's Jukes the Killer on them, man, right? Jukes the Killer.
Yeah. This connection was from a friend, Snoop Rock. Don't know if you know him. Yeah, very influential brother in the music, you know, it's my brethren. Him have a live going on to know. Him live is Monday, Snoop Rock in it, can check it out.
See, in there on the live still, so big up Snoop Rocky. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I think he was on the live earlier,
Yeah.
So, based on my connection with Snoop as a friend, Snoop was actually family with Travelers, so,
see,
you know, right, so, we, you know, started to move around Travelers and, Juxi them and Fire and, you know, Mr. Matthews, and it was a big movement.
Yes.
Because then there was the girls who was Video 5 Crew, who was now like the hottest set of girls uptown at the time. You know? Yeah, who was a movement with Travelers as well. Yeah, Candice, is Snoop there, Snoop up on the live, yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right, Snoop is the youth that create Standpipe, Ever High.
See it?
See me?
Yeah.
Bossa Juice, Get a You. Yeah. See me, my big movement. Richie, yeah, rush it, Richie, man. Yeah, rush it. You see me? So, based on the fact, say, Snoop now gave me this connection with Travelers, because now my song I play, you know, Snoop I make me get for the dub for them. But the funny thing was, Snoop was playing another song called Sexilus. Which was controlled by Sanchez.
What year are we talking about here? What year are we talking about here?
All right, this was when I came. This was when I got, after I got in my issue in America. So this was like 95, 96.
See, yes, all right, boom, yeah.
Yeah, about that. 94, 95, yeah.
90, yeah,
So, yeah. So now, Snoop was playing a song called Sexilus.
yes.
You know what I mean? Sexilus had a different movement in standpipe because no, Sexilus had a stage show. Yeah? And the stage show now would allow people like Tornado, when name again, the wickedest time when the rain start fall. No.
Twins.
No, not Running Twist. The other one. Snoop, give me some reminder, please. Big singer Candyman. Soon tell you. The Zing Fence song. Or the Zing Fence song go again. Me never see so much people are going to come in. When them said
Quentier.
Quenchade.
Yes, Quentier.
Right? So me know as the Quenchade, Tornado them. You understand? It's a roadside stage show, you know.
Yes.
Yes, Quenchade. So Snoop now represent for Sexilus. So that's a different movement going on in Standpipe.
Wow.
Yeah. So all of them movements, you know, Candy, kind of resonate with billing me now as an artist. Yeah?
Yes.
You get me?
Wow. All right.
And yeah.
Wow. Okay, so
Hold on now.
Yeah.
Now we are dealing with sound. Yeah, man, we are dealing with the sound topic. So watch this now. Moving on now. We end up have Dutty Cup Crew, right?
Yes.
And we, all of my friends, them, my brother, all the influential people around me want to do and want to make to be a part of the movement. Yeah, so them create a song called Dirty Dozen.
All right.
Right? So Dirty Dozen now was my brother. You know, people me call family.
Yes.
Snoop same way, Gavin. You know what I mean? A whole heap of people like even Richie on the live, you know what I mean? Because Dirty Dozen was a movement.
Yes.
See? Within that movement now, you had Copper Shot, which was Sean Paul brother song. So you see the connection now.
See it? All right.
So out of Dutty Cup, right? You have Kurup and that Snoop. So Dutty does the whole away a cousin.
Yeah.
Then you have Copper Shot.
Yeah.
Right? Which is Sean Paul brother.
Sean Paul brother, yeah.
And me and Sean Paul are the same crew.
Yeah.
Right? Great movement. Man, I lies. As me say, these things are in the docu-series and these are things that has made me the artist that I am today.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
So anyway, as we move on, Candy, the sound movement got so great now because the youth them believing in themselves, yeah? Snoop, my brother, Copper Shot, all of them believe in themselves.
Yeah.
And at that time, everybody was doing a black movement. Yeah, we were all for each other.
Yes.
So one man a play sound, one man a DJ, one man a promoter. We all connected.
Yeah, unity, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So my brother now, named Richie, created a party called Joyride. Yeah, it's basically an uptown clash. Yeah? That uptown has never seen before. Right?
Yeah.
And Dirty Dozen and Copper Shot played. The rest was history. You'll see it in the docu-series.
Was it a clash? Can I ask that? Was it a clash?
Yeah. Uptown dancehall clash between Copper Shot, Dirty Dozen, Nemesis, Sage. It was a few songs, but it came down to Dirty Dozen and Copper Shot. But as I said, the docu-series, yeah.
Don't talk the business. Why? All right. So, okay. So, I will say something. So, since we did...
Yeah, big up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just big up one more person I miss out type. Big up Stephen Bishop, for real, because he played a key part in the development of that movement, too.
Okay, boom.
Yeah.
And somebody said black talent still.
Yeah.
All right. So, what I'm going to do now, we did speak about this tune. Me not lie, I have one of my collector friend them, and him did send me the tune on MP3. But me as a boy,
Right.
you know, I didn't want to play this song because I don't own it on 45 yet. So I don't want to play no boy
Right.
tune, so to speak. But I have it here. So we spoke about it already, but I just want to play it for the people and for know say this is how far back you go in terms of 45 and your career. So I'm gonna shout out this tune, yeah,
Right.
and boom. So here it goes. This is 1995, people. Kid Kurup in a 95. All right, hold on.
Well then, I want the kid to realize now, because I'm going to live like that in a month. When you do it now, you like turn up, it's a different stuff. Kids come up, tell them, say, don't we come about, no, we get it up front. Don't we come about, see a wine and a jump up. Don't we come about, no, we get in the clump. Take it a shiver and a show up our clump. Don't we come about, no, we get it up front. Don't we come about, see a wine and a jump up. Don't we come about, no, we get in the clump. Take it a shiver and a show up our this smile and soft. Let's go and I chip off with a nice like and a Sharon Stone water. To my surprise, me a parent apart. I down with the rope and a beat with the rod. Think it is some heads up, big and fast. Them set up the scene, dark in a banana. If your dog do it good, she will show off until her friend say you goes off. My mom know me get it up front. My mom.
Why? So you said you were in school at them the time they said?
Facts.
Wow. Wow. Because you're a big man for the tune there, you know. Wow.
Yeah, man. Schoolboy a DJ them time, them a G.
Wow. Wow. That's
Yeah, man, that's the way you find that. Yeah, man, that's the way you find that. Cause them thing that was like, it was so off at the time, like story come up bump, you know,
Yeah.
country, straight country argument, like, you know, but Bulby always had her ears. Bulby always had her ears for songs like those.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
And if it wasn't for Bulby platform, you wouldn't have it yourself play, you know what I mean? So
Yes, of course. There was another song that I was wanting to get hold of before I spoke to you, but like I said, I just wanted to speak to you while, you know, me not wait for nothing. So, but there was another one. It was in '97 again, but it was a combination and between with you and Sean Paul again on the Bulby label. Fat Eyes. It was Wait the Tongue Was a Rhythm. You remember that tune there? I don't have it with me, unfortunately. I don't have it with me.
it's just me. It's just me and Sean Paul alone.
You and Sean, 1997. Wait the Tongue Was a Rhythm. One day, because I've got it on one of my shopping basket. Then when everything right after this.
That's definitely That's definitely memory lane for sure.
Yeah,
definitely.
So when
Definitely.
COVID done and everything right with me, I'm gonna draw for the tune, and then we might have you on again. We can speak about the history. See it? I'm going
No
to
problem.
Dutty Cup Crew. Can you notice? I've been dealing with you as an individual, and I didn't ask you nothing about the Dutty Cup. Yeah, you know me. I said because I want to
Right.
you as you, because most of the people, because what I realize is, if I manage from a crew, people will talk to somebody about, you know, people talk to somebody like you and ask me a Sean Paul question. I mean, I'm not interested in any of that because I want to appreciate you as an artist outside of any of that.
Right.
So, yeah. So
Facts.
maybe one day we'll get into some of the Dutty Cup stuff.
Yeah,
and
man,
again,
definitely, bro.
outside of Sean Paul because, you know. But, yeah. So,
Definitely.
so when are you, if you can tell us, I'm not sure, the Uptown documentary or docu-series, when when can we expect that to come out?
All right. Basically, in the process of still writing.
See,
Yeah, and doing consents, like getting the go-aheads for everybody. Yeah, who is in each. Yeah, my good noise. I call. I was getting a call. Yeah, and everybody who is like, yeah,
Involved,
everybody who is like, everybody who's involved. Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
you see me. Still in discussions with Sean Paul,
Yes.
right? And basically, just as I said, just finishing up on some great information and some stuff that needs to be
Yes.
out there, because some of the times I forget some of the things, yeah?
Yes, of course.
Right? And as time goes by, and then you see one of the greatest thing was the striking force, yeah, was chicken.
Yes, of course.
Right. That was a striking force. Like after Daddy Gun pass and then chicken pass, I was like, you know what?
Have to.
Who else is gonna pass? And then yeah, and then this history, this legacy is not gonna be, you know,
Yes. Yes, I hear you. Yeah. Yeah.
documented.
Definitely. Because
You get me? So
yeah, I did say
yeah,
this
so
when I
a bit, yeah. Go ahead.
no, I said this when I spoke to Lugerman. I said I was doing a live one time and we play some chicken tune and you know chicken cause more time when we go on live, chicken did always tune in and him love the vibes. So I wanted to talk to
Yeah, man,
Chicken
I
about the
vibes you,
song and
man.
this was yeah man. So your respect for that. So this was one of the reasons why I actually started talking to artists then, because when I wanted to talk to Chicken, it's like a week after the live, him gone. So Mr.
Right.
It's like, yo, so I was speaking to Hawkeye from Main Street,
Right.
and yeah, so I said, yo, so I told him, say, yo, I want to speak to you, but I was waiting for logo and all kind of sitting, you know, blah, 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 blah. But I was just thinking, you know what? I'm not going to wait for this, you know, because chicken gone, so I can't take life for granted, you know. So we have to just
Right.
speak to the man them one all the way there, because I could die anytime.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I'm just, again, I'm
Yeah.
very appreciative of being able to speak to you about all of this history. And by the way, the tune when we just play, that was from Selector SP from Toronto. He might, you know, he have everything, boy. Yeah.
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 I know him,
yeah.
you know. Yeah, but I know him.
Yeah. So yeah. So
Definitely.
again, so this is why it was important for me to do what I'm doing now, speaking to the artists them, because we cannot take tomorrow for granted. So just live for today. See it?
Right.
So again, thank you, and I want you and your people them and everything. And hopefully, I cannot wait for this Uptown docu-series. So I guess from what you're saying, we're looking at 2021 or 22, right?
Well, basically, you know, Candy, we are going to Christmas, so what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to finish season 1
Yes. Wow.
that has like 7 episodes.
Uh-huh.
So I basically finished writing episode 1 and 2. But what I'm trying to do at the same time is I'm trying to shoot and put
Yes.
the visuals together. Like I'm not waiting till I finish, right? Then no, you see me? I like, because as you said, the availability at time now is very crazy.
Yes,
So
of course, yeah.
if I can do Delana tomorrow for the visuals, if I can do Sean, if I can do Jeremy, if I can do all the people who are involved, that's what I'm moving at now. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
in the midst of that, still promoting the new songs
Of
and,
course.
you know, still venturing off into stuff, because I start a foundation called Jamaicans for Jamaica.
Wow, yeah, uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, if you check my Instagram page, you'll see. So I did care packages the other day,
Yes.
and I'm doing a back to school treat in Standpipe for the kids in August.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
You know what I mean? So yeah, so like when I wake up in the morning, and I look at my timetable, you know, I look at my daily routine, you know, what needs to be accomplished, you know what I mean? It's like there's so much, you know what I mean? But at the same time, it is a driving force. So
Yes, of course. Yeah.
I will, yeah, by like 2021, you know, we're supposed to be like showing the world, you know, some trailer from the docu series, you know, what's coming, you know, stuff. I left my charger in the room.
Wow.
You get me? So that's basically where I'm at right now with it. I'm like basically finish up the writing, getting the people who are necessary in it,
Yes,
you know,
of course.
to see my vision and see what I'm trying to do.
Yes.
And so far it's like I'm getting headway. I get in there. I won't say it's not working out.
Boom. Somebody asked in the live, how could we donate to you and your cause? But I guess the answer to that would probably be to speak to you directly with message, right? So people can find out
Yeah,
what
like,
you're
all
doing
right.
to make this thing a thing. Yeah.
All right. The way the foundation is set up right now is basically me and friends who are like wanting to do stuff like this, and there's not a platform that they feel comfortable. So basically, direct message to my face, to my Instagram page.
Yes.
You know, my number is there, my WhatsApp number is there. You know what I mean? Because based on how this digital thing is moving now, it's best to have a direct.
Of
you
course,
see me?
Definitely.
Yeah, so people can get directly to me based on doing donations and seeing transparency in what they've donated to.
Yes, of course.
You get me? So King Watt, it's there. Just link me up on my IG and we can talk. I'll move from there. You see me?
See it there? Boom. All right. That clears that up. So before I let you go, there's another one song that I need something behind, because again, it's one of my favorite tune them, you know? From your catalog. I mean, you have so many. I mean, to say there's one favorite is not fair, to be honest, because you have so many. But we're just going to go into one song.
Right.
And again, I thank you for your time. I don't want to take up your whole day on everything, but we're just going to go into one more and then boom. We can talk about it. So, all right.
Cool.
Boom, boom, boom.
Me girl is a crying in your panty. I ain't never run on for your auntie. Independent like Randy and Ashanti. Show the G-string you have on it fancy. Being on a match with stars. I ain't never run on for your sisters. I ain't kitty kid, no carry blisters. Just mugging on your hipsters. Girl, show off your fixtures. So no matter the cost. Me have to puff it off. Nah, no secret that I if you take it off. Let me get it off until you ready to set it off. Yeah, but one day I go. Then you know make it pass. With the mermaid shape, what a big and the shot. Make berry some and show away my glass. From a buckle in that one, girl, you put it in your glass. Love how you string set by your heart. Me girl is a crying in your panty. I ain't never
last time some back. Definitely, yeah, man. Big song.
Yes, I am. So, as we can hear, at that point, you are strong. Yeah.
You want me give you a piece of history? Because time around, as you said, my battery got dead.
All right.
The first location over there, me leave my charger them down there. Through me a rush to come back here, so. And as you said, the last one, this. But on my life, I go and connect with you because I do a Tuesday night live.
Yeah.
Had footer the other night. Great. It was a great vibe. Yeah. So I go link you up so we can further on that platform.
Definitely.
You know that Cartel have a song that says take pride in our. You know that, right? Like that's the intro of no the tip and tea, no the tip and tea.
Yeah,
right?
Of course, yeah.
And my song says, Miguel take pride in your panty. See? It's another round of history. So that time, no, as you say, as it was me an elephant, right through.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So we'd go to the studio and Elephant would be doing his song on the rhythm. And would make it clear to Scatter say, you want Kurup, you know, put on a song.
Yes.
And, you know, while I'm there doing it, there's stuff that, like, I'm not fully doing properly. You know, so he's coaching me, you know, he's showing me keys, you know.
Yeah.
And this is all part of the song now has his voice. in it as well.
Yes.
You see me? Because it's that kind of song that he was pushing for me to push a big energy and, you know, put a big vibe behind it.
Yes,
because they
course.
believed in the rhythm at the time.
Yes, of
you know
course,
what I mean?
Yeah.
Definitely. And these songs, as I said, they're historical because, as I said, there's history with that as well, as I just indicated to you that when I said Miguel take pride in your panty, Cartel intro his song, I said take pride in our no dirty panty, no dirty, isn't it?
Yes, okay, now that makes sense. All right. Wow.
Yeah, son. So
Yes.
you know, it's a whole heap of history, Candy, as you say. You know, it's things that when you put it out there, it will stay and it will determine the time. You know what I
live
mean?
on forever. Yes.
For sure.
Wow.
Definitely,
Okay,
my
so
brother.
I just want to say this before you go. Again, I'd like to really thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending time, because you don't need to do this. You can. Time is the only thing that you spend that you cannot get back. So you decided to spend it here with us, giving us all this history, and I can only thank you for doing that. So, big man, respect.
Definitely.
And we'll do whatever we can to help push and echo your voice out there, and to let people know everything about what you're doing. You know, I have a little platform. Me, I don't, you know, nobody don't know me or anything, but you know, we tell our same way, feel? So
No, man, listen, man. It's a great platform, man.
Yes, man. Respect.
See me?
Respect.
It's not a little platform because we end on this note.
Yeah.
Black empowerment, yeah? Even if the time wasn't there, because today is my friend, like, my best friend, like, my G birthday, you know what I mean?
See it?
And there's things to do because that's my G, but at the same time, this what we're doing is what I believe called black empowerment, brother.
Definitely. I mean, we did hear where some of the thing where you on foot I did I talk about yesterday night, I'm gonna say, yeah,
right.
all right. But that's
and I'm glad he was on the live. Yeah, I'm glad he was there to check in to see. Because what may I get to is that, listen, for us to be greater, yeah, we have to take care of each other.
Definitely, no doubt. No doubt.
And it don't matter how small you think the platform is, it is big for me.
Yes. Well, yeah. I mean, yeah.
Because guess what? It's another available platform.
It's a piece of the puzzle, yeah.
You understand? It's another black brother who knows a lot about our music that needs to be preserved and cherished and thought about, yeah?
Yes.
And moved away from this 20 years of whatever they have put the music through.
Yes, of course. And it is my
honor. Happy birthday to Khaleesi, my next G, yeah, Khaleesi, yeah. Sorry about that.
Happy birthday, strong. I mean, so again, so it's my honor to be doing this with you, and you know, I'm living a dream right now with all of this, because, as I said, you made music that, I mean, we did hear certain Kurup song and Dutty Cup song where we did walk a road and draw girl pan and all them sitting there and say, yo. So yeah, man. So,
for sure.
Yeah, man. Big respect for that song. So
yeah, man, and big respect again, Candy, because it was good and I had fun and I enjoyed it.
Yes, man. Yes,
know what I mean?
For real. All right, we'll keep the link still and we'll hear you up later a little more, yeah? I'll let you know when the
all right, my brother.
On YouTube and everything. All right, man. Big respect, big respect.
All right.
All right.
More life and more blessings.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
More respect. No. All right.
All right, cool.
Yes. Woo! Right. So people, we got a lot more than what we bargained for today. Yeah.